Yeah, more mail. Corona ain't stopping this horror fiend. Well, this was a Valentine's Day pre-order through Mondo Macabro. And if you follow them, you'll know what I'm about to pull out of this envelope. Holy fuck. Wicked packaging. They wanted to make sure this shit didn't get damaged. And I appreciate that. Fuck yeah. So, up first, we have Umberto Lenzi's An Ideal Place to Kill, with the badass Mondo red case. These are both limited to 1,000, and this one is number 201. Fuck yeah. Oh, and it's double-sided. Cool. So there's the alternate. And a book. No fucking clue what's in here. Okay, so it's a write-up on Umberto Lenzi. That's cool shit. Fuck yeah. And this was the main one I was after, but I figured for the shipping I may as well just get both. Make the shipping cost worth it. And this one is Les Exorcistas Satanico Pandemonium. And that picture is awesome. Fucking force-fed boiling water. I fucking love it. This one's number 216 of 1,000. And this is from Gilberto Martinez Solares. Mexican flick. Gore Punks, you coming over to fucking translate this for me or what, homie? Oh shit, yeah, I forgot this has fucking lobby cards or postcards. What do we have? Oh, fuck, these are dope. Okay, so the back image, nope, it's not the same on both. So we have I had no idea these were coming with it. So this is a badass, awesome surprise. Love that. Never go wrong with some bloody nuns. There's that, and there's a book. There's There's some titties for you. Looks like a write-up on the flick, and then a quick little write-up on Gilberto as well. That's dope as shit. And there's an alternative cover to this as well. Fuck, I don't know which side I want, because this one's awesome too. Probably still gonna keep it on that though. Oh yeah, thanks for watching this unboxing, folks. That wraps it all up. Stay sleazy, motherfuckers. Peace.